Come on.
Oh. Yeah. Watch out, little girl.
Yeah, seriously. You're gonna get your knocked down again.
Here we go.
Uh-oh, gosh.
Is that one pretty fast, that little green one?
I don't know. Oh, yeah, your dad went down pretty fast.
Here we go. Is this Connor's first ride?
Yep. I can see Rich go down before him.
This kid's gotta get out of the way, man. That's pissing me.
Here they go.
Oh. Yeah. Made it all the way through.
And back. Connor, how was that?
Makes you feel better. You look really cool.
Connor, how was that? Was the ride? Cool. How cool? Big cool? Are you gonna go again? Okay. Oh my God, this is gonna be dangerous. Look at this big.
That's on Hilda.
I'm not running into a tree.
What happened that time? You ran into a tree.
That's too funny.
Oh, yeah.
There were two fillies.
Yep. I got that one on camera, Steve. Oh. Yeah. Okay, Connor, how was that one? How was that one, Connor?
Let's go.
Connor, I need an interview. How was that one?
Good.
Good?
But I got snow on my face.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. See ya. Oh, let me see your butt. Shake it at me. Thanks. up to them laughing hysterically up top. Yeah. But then you gotta pan up to them laughing one more time, and then we'll take a break.
Watch out, Pumpkin.
What happened? What happened?
Say we had a gnarly
You
wipeout.
didn't make it?
I put my clothes off in my mouth.